Welcome, my friends. We are just finding all kinds of great job leads today. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet and bringing you the best work from home job leads available on a daily basis. Today we have Nationwide Insurance. They are hiring a claims specialist, and this is remote for the United States. They are looking for up to 10 individuals to join their medical claims team. So your career at Nationwide would begin on Monday, June 27th of 2022. So they are looking to get interviews done and hire pretty quickly, with the start date just little over a month away. They are offering a 4 to 12 week training program that's designed to set you up for success, and that is paid. The salary for this position is $46,000 to $55,000 a year, and so that is dependent upon your experience and your location. These positions are full-time, work from home, and you can work in the Eastern, Central, Mountain, or Pacific time zones. So they will have shifts for everyone, no matter where in the United States you are. Training is going to be from 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, and then your permanent work schedule would be varied based on the business demands. They do typically need more support for the Mountain and Pacific time zones than they do for the Eastern time zone. They are looking for someone who has strong customer service and organizational skills, someone who's self-motivated and self-sufficient and willing to learn. If you have medical experience or knowledge, that is a plus. And if you are bilingual, that is also a plus. As a claims specialist, you'll investigate and evaluate medical claims, personal injury protection, medical pay, and medical benefits. You'll evaluate these claims for eligibility, medical necessity, and making sure the charges are appropriate. So you pays claims accurately based on the policies. You'll initiate and conduct follow-ups of the claims using their claims system. You'll determine the applicable coverage, medical necessity of all the charges on the claim. You'll partner with their Special Investigative Unit and National Recovery Unit if you identify any claim fraud. You'll review and research medical bills, surgical reports. You'll submit incident reports when needed, and you may be required to communicate regularly with policyholders, agents, providers, and claim representatives through telephone calls and letters. It says an undergraduate degree is preferred, but if you have equivalent experience, they will take that over a degree. And for the experience, they need someone who has 1 to 3 years of customer service experience or claims processing experience if you're in the medical field already. They do also state way down at the bottom that passing a credit and background check will be required as part of the selection process. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. There are playlists linked down below in the description that has lots of recent job leads if this one was not a good fit for you. And I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.